This is the main over here at the Rockingham Park Mall. Salem, New Hampshire. Go to L. It's the Montgomery elevator. Pretty nice cab. Here's the fixtures. 2,500 pounds. What the? We're going up. You will? Let's listen to the motor. You will? Coming down?
Yep.
I got it.
Thank you. Hello. Yeah. Sit down.
Have a nice day, you guys.
Thank you so much. Oh,
Happy New Year.
You too. Thank you.
We'll go up one more time. This was installed in 1991, 150 feet a minute. Let's sample the chime. Wind it down at L. I just shut it on someone. So you go through the doors. Wind it down at L. Never to change the aspect ratio of the camera. Oops, sorry guys. You guys can go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, this thing is busy, so there it goes. That's it.